What is up, you guys? Welcome back to an episode of Sweden. Today's episode we're gonna be taking our first road trip with our new baby right here. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to see if my luggage, I had to buy an entire new duffel bag to try to see if it's gonna fit in this little space here, which I'm gonna be showing you guys momentarily. But it's crazy how tiny this is comparing to my McLaren 650S. This is really tiny, so it's gonna be very interesting to see exactly how they stacked up with that duffel bag. So it's like everything is all packed. So we're going to Montreal, and yeah, let's see how she handles. You feel me? Make sure you like, subscribe, make sure for your man on Instagram, x_sweetman on deck. Right, YOLO. So you guys, like I was saying, we do have our duffel bag here, which is, I just purchased this today, which is made by that company right there. It's pretty light, so it's fully packed. And in the upcoming video, I'm also gonna be telling you guys exactly why this is the cheapest Audi R8 V10 Plus in the nation. So make sure you'll stay tuned for that, and make sure you're subscribed for more stuff. So anyways, this is the trunk space. As you can see, you have this massive hood here, but you welcome with this tiny little trunk space here, which it's mind-blowing. My McLaren 650S has a bigger trunk space than this. My suitcase could fit in. Now I have to adjust with this here. So that being said, this is the trunk space, so don't mind the mess that I currently have in it. I'm just gonna rearrange this here. So anyway, so that's all I get. That's it. And the rest here, it's pretty much nothing. So I can only fit stuff literally in here. It may look like this could fit compared to this, but I tried it before when it was empty, so it was like a tight fit. So I'm gonna try it now when I do have my stuff in it. So that being said, let's go. So you're seeing this stuff. Let me see, I'm gonna put you guys over here. Can I? Okay, perfect. Alright, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to see if it's gonna fit, but again, it's a tight fit. Okay, so update. Ta-da. That is as tight as you can get. You can't make this shit up. That is as tight as you can get. I don't think I can put anything here more than what it's supposed to be. So you can only fit one duffel bag in the entire front of the car. That is insane. Like, look at that. Big ass front, but no space. No freaking space to get this done. Like, look at that. Look how huge that is. And you only get in this. But anyways, I won't be giving you guys any cold start. It's gonna be a lukewarm start, so yeah, stay tuned. And if you know exactly how many times you're gonna be putting gas to go to Montreal, leave it down in the comment below, you feel me? But yeah, let's carry on with the video real quick. So another thing, I'm gonna include this in the video of why this car is the cheapest car in the nation. But the wheels, we have a lot of wheel curbs over here. Look at that. And the tires are really done, so I'm looking to get in new tires in the upcoming week. I was gonna get it today, but they didn't have any in stock, so I'm looking to get into new tires. Even the rear one, I'm just hoping like this, like it has almost zero traction on it. But since this is an all-wheel drive car, it's okay. It's okay. So I think we should be able to make it to Montreal with no problem. But look at the beauty of this color, bro. Holy, like this color makes the car, it makes the car worth it. And obviously don't forget the engine, which is in the back over here. And when you open the door, it's over there, there's a light, it shines up and you can see the engine, which is fully carbon fiber on this side. I'm gonna be giving you guys the full rundown of this car, but for now that's what we're dealing with. So let's carry on with the video. So moving into the interior, this is going to be very comfortable for the long drive. It's Montreal from here, it's about 6 hours give or take. So I already have myself a Red Bull, and let's get the show started. So I'll just put my phone in here. So we do have a space for the key. I'm gonna give you guys a full rundown of the car, so it might be rush for now. Right now it's already 5 o'clock, so we should be in Montreal by 10. That's if we don't stop for any miscellaneous stuff. But yeah, let's get this started. All right, there we go. Copyright. There we go. So that's it. This is a lukewarm start, and it sounds pretty good for what it is. It sounds pretty good. So I'm mad about that. V10 Plus. Yeah. Let's carry on with the show real quick. Enjoy the interior. So right now we currently have the car in performance mode. So what that means is you get this. That's what that means. So let's see. Yes sir. Yes sir. So you get the pops in performance mode. So we're gonna drive it for now, but you have to do it manually though. That's the only thing. It's kind of hard. All right. Sometimes I wish this was the McLaren where you can shift on one hand, but hey, you gotta do some trade-off. You feel me? So there we go. Risky the way I'm driving. Woo-wee! Oh my god. Holy shit. Alright, there we go. Let's try this again. Let go. And you get the pops. Goodness, I ain't gonna hold you, yo. This sounds super good. Downshift. Downshift. The brakes on this car, they're phenomenal. Downshift. There you go. Alright, so update. We have about 2.5 hours, give or take, to be in Montreal. So far, so good. We currently have about half a tank left of gas, and I do have my Red Bull over here. Right. It's very comfortable, obviously, comparing to the McLaren. But yeah, this is a very good car to do a road trip with. Even like 6-8 hours road trip. It feels just like any other regular car. I ain't gonna hold you. But when you need the power, you do have the power. That's the perks that you get with it. Feel me? So yeah. Like so far so good. Like I'm gonna have to, hopefully I could get gas in Montreal. Well, not in Montreal but in Quebec, but I have a tank because I've been doing all highway driving, so the kind of consumption is kind of like on the minimum, you could say. If I was doing, let's say, on the service road plus highway, then that's when I'm gonna use more gas, because it's a lot of stop and go. But now I'm just going pretty much whatever the speed limit is, you feel me? I ain't gonna incriminate myself here, but yeah, so far it's pretty good. And yeah, like I said, I haven't eaten though, that's the thing. I haven't eaten, I'm just like pushing through. I just want to get to Quebec as soon as possible in one piece, and then fill up down there. So hopefully I can use whatever gas that I fill up down there, I can use it for my entire stay. So that's how I kind of go in calculating what I use in terms of consumption. If I don't know, maybe some people do it another way, but that's why I do it, and that's where I find it to be a little bit more efficient. I do want to make minimal stops as possible. So right now we're currently driving on in comfort mode. So we ain't going no crazy, none of that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna holler at you guys in a little bit. And it YOLO. What up, yo? Anyways, I'm in MTR right now. I actually forgot my camera in the car while I check it in, so I'm just gonna, you know, sign off here. And I'm already ready for the night. Montreal is really weird with the construction, but nonetheless, that being said, the drive was amazing. If you guys are wondering about fuel consumption, this car is not it. It's horrible with a capital H, horrible. Alright, so comparing to my McLaren, yeah, this ain't it when it comes to fuel consumption. So if you're curious, now you know. You can't get this car based on fuel consumption because you're gonna regret it. I had to fill up three times to get to my destination. With the McLaren, twice, I'm good. I could floor it, whatever. This, I was flooring it, you know, a little bit something there, and it was all in comfort mode. In the McLaren, I do the same thing. I'll fill up twice, get to MTR, I should be good. But right now I have a full tank because I filled up in Montreal. So just west of Montreal, but yeah. And yeah, but that being said, make sure you guys smash that subscribe one time, you feel me? And make sure you put that thumbs up. We'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? YOLO!